Why top leaders and the bosses are always often in the panic mode? Okay, how many of you are finding this? Your bosses are in panic mode. Always. Okay. All right. So do you know why bosses are in the panic mode? Anybody knows? Because if you can find out that reason, you'll be able to handle that situation. Do you all agree with that? If you find out that reason, you'll be able to handle that situation. Correct? Less skill, uncertainty, lack of confidence. What else? Trust deficit. Okay. What else? Come on. What else can you think about? Deadline pressure. Yes. Let me give you something so that you understand this. Do you agree bosses' stakes are higher than yours? Bosses' stakes are higher than yours. Lack of skill, confidence, and everything could be right. But ask yourself, if you had everything, then why you are not boss? So they have something which is better than you. Do you all agree with that? They have something which is better than you. And if that is the case, you need to find out what is that. If rest of the things are less than you and there is something which is better than you need to find out that. Because that skill is what he or she possesses, because of which they are at that level. Correct? Stakes are high. Their panic is always driven by their stakes. Yeah, their stakes. Yeah. So you cannot say that it is a pinpointed reason. They don't allow because they know that they are the bosses, isn't it? The question is about the panic mode, and the panic mode is more about their stakes. And that stake high could be because of the junior insecurity as well. If you are more qualified and credible in the market, then they would also get into the panic mode as well. Do you all agree with that? If you are more qualified and credible in the market, then they will also get into that mode. So your job is to make them secure, by the way. If your job is not to make them secure, they will never earn your trust. And if they do not have your trust, the only problem is you will not grow. Making sense? So you need to ask yourself, how do I build a trust with my bosses? That is the first aspect that you need to learn. Okay.